Mine's a lot bigger. 1, 2, 3. It ain't going nowhere. It will push. There we go. Huh? Yours is bigger. Yeah. Alright. We gotta sit it by. Is it gonna roll? Flip it over. No, flip it over this way. This way. Like lay it over. I'll go down the street now. You ready? How about we just roll it over there? How about we do that? Yeah. Now we have to pick it up somewhere. Watch it. Yeah. Yeah.
About
you
that.
get one side.
1, 2, 3.
It's falling apart. Roll it.
No. Oh, 1. Ready? 1.
Nope. Go from the side. 1, 2, 3.
How about we just make 2 separate snowmen? You want
Let me
it?
try to help you pick that one up.
How about we take some of the snow off of this one?
I can help you try to pick
No,
it
not
up.
that one.
Oh.
Let me help you try to pick it up.
There.
Man.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3.
There we go. This is a big snow. Well, you gotta get some more snow. That's in the creek.
Pack it in there, Casey. There's its head.
I think the head has to be a little bit bigger than that. Come on, take the head off. Take it off.
You can use your other one from today if you want to use that as the head.
Oh, yeah, we could use this head.
I'm gonna throw this one. What's that noise?
Hey, come hold this rock. So I'll just drop. No, hold on.
Oh. missing a rock.
We're getting another one.
Okay.
Our beautiful snowman. That's pretty loud there. Oh, we gotta find a stick.
What tree? What are you talking about, a tree? Huh? Oh.
Go find a sweet stick.
It's shady.